gamot mo sa bagot?
Bagot? Ito.
O gamot mo sa lungkot?
Ito.
Gamot mo sa heartbreak?
May heartbreak? Hindi naman ako paiyakin nito eh.
Yes or no? In-stalk si Mac?
Oo.
Yes or no? Nakipagtarayan sa artista?
No.
Yes or no? Chinismis ng katrabaho?
Yes.
Yes or no? Naligawan noon ng politiko?
Yes.
Lights on or lights off?
Dim.
Lights on or lights off?
Dim.
Mac, happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Iba yung titingin sa'yo, Tito Boy. Naramdaman mo ba yun?
Best time for happiness?
With Rita.
Hoy!
What's happiness?
Happy moments. Happy
Best time
life.
nga daw eh. Morning.
Yeah, the time when he's with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Rita,
nakakabahan ako.
after 20 years in showbiz,
Yes,
complete
po.
the sentence. I am now ready for...
New, bolder, great things.
So, ibabalik ko lang yung pag-uusap natin. Nakahawak. Yes, I can be your girlfriend. Tumuloy ba yun sa kiss?
Yes.
Uy! Init bigla dito sa ano, ha?
Uminit.
Oo, Tito Boy.
Oo. Pero sandali ha, maiba lang tayo ng usapan. Because this is a bit serious, but you know, you can be here and please be here. You know, you filed a case last year.
I did.
Oo, against Archie Alemania. Kumusta ka ngayon?
I'm doing so much better. So much better. And it's not easy to be in this position now. As much as I want to give time for myself, na wag sana, alam mo yun, magmamadali. Pero I have to kasi, Tito Boy, I have Uno eh. Diba? Hindi naman pwedeng ganun na lang ako forever. Pinilit kong maging okay. I've had therapies. I went back to therapies actually. So, hindi siya basta lang na sabihin nung kumausap lang ako ng kaibigan o kasama ko lang yung pamilya ko. Kailangan ko pagdaanan yun para malagpasan ko at makapunta ko kung nasan ako ngayon.
And you're in a good place right now.
Very, very. Very
May
good
relasyon
place.
ka kay Uno?
Yes po.
Kumusta?
The first time na nakita ko si Uno, sobrang saya ko lang din. Kasi accepting Rita as a whole, nakita ko na okay din yung bata sa akin. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam.
At 24, Mac,
Yes.
ano ang alam mo tungkol sa pag-ibig that you are certain? What do you know about love for sure?
Well, for me, yung pag-ibig, it's sacrifice. Sacrifice sa lahat ng pagkakataon na pipiliin mo yung tao.
Why the tears?
Ano lang talaga, kasi there was really a part in my life that I asked God, like, why am I here? Like, I don't deserve this. Kasi I know I'm a good servant. I'm a good child. But why am I here? Pero, now that ito, kung nasan ako ngayon, like, okay kami ng tatay ni Uno. Uno's growing up to be a really, really smart kid. And very talented. And my mom, she's healthy. You know, mas nakakasama namin yung mom namin. And of course, Mac came into my life. Sino mag-aakala, di ba? Sa mga panahong talagang nasa storm ako na feeling kong hindi natatapos. But ngayon po, grabe, sobrang ramdam ko si Lord. Kaya lang po ako naiiyak at nagiging emotional. Na tama po yung sinabi niya, you just keep the faith.
Yeah.
And maging mabuti ka lang during your waiting season.
Ang ganda nun.
Because everything will be worth it.
Right. Maging mabuti ka lang during your waiting season. That's beautiful.